Students, today we will see the second topic of chapter 1, computer, that is automated computing devices of 19th century and computers in the 20th century. So let's start with automated computing devices of 19th century. There are two types of automated computing devices. The first is deference engine and analytical engine, and the second is tabulating machine. The deference engine and the analytical engine were the first automatic mechanical calculators invented by Charles Babbage. He is considered as the father of computers. Now we will see each machine in detail. Let's start with deference engine. The deference engine, invented in 1822, used only arithmetical addition and removed the need for multiplication and division. The deference engine operated on numbers by repeated addition. It could not be used for everyday arithmetical calculations. The next is analytical engine. The analytical engine, invented in 1837, had many essential features found in today's computers. It had a store where numbers and intermediate results could be held, and a separate mill where the arithmetic procession was performed. It had an internal collection of the four arithmetical functions and could do direct multiplication and divisions. The next is tabulating machine. The tabulator was invented in 1889 by Herman Hollerith, an American statistician. The tabulator was a counting machine. It kept a running count of the numbers and cards with a hole punched in a particular position. It was used for reading and processing data and then giving the output. The system stored the data coded in the form of punched holes. Computers in the 20th century. The following are the 20th century computer: Z1, Harvard Mark I, ENIAC, UNIVAC 1. Z1. The Z1 was the first programmable computer created by Konrad Zuse of Germany during 1936 to 1938. To use the Z1, the operator had to insert a punch tape into the punch tape reader. Outputs too were generated through punch tape. The Harvard Mark I was invented by Howard Aiken in 1944. It was the first electromechanical computer. EDVAC. EDVAC stands for Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. It was designed by John von Neumann in 1945. It was the first computer that could store both programs and data. ENIAC stands for Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. It was amongst the earliest electronic general-purpose computers. It was developed by John Presper Arkwright and John Mauchly in 1946. UNIVAC 1 stands for Universal Automatic Computer 1. It was the first commercial computer and handled both text and numeric data. The first UNIVAC 1 was completed in 1951 by John Presper Arkwright and John Mauchly. Thank you.